can't believe I'm stuck with her all summer. Oh, but she doesn't wrestle, hunt, or box. He looks conceited when it's total bummer. If I get lucky, I'll get chicken pox. So happy you could come, so happy to be here. How I'd like to run. This isn't my idea of fun.
Children seem to get along quite nicely.
We'll join our lands if this arrangement clicks.
My dear King William, that's my point, precisely.
It's such good parenting.
And politics, so happy we agree.
I think we've got the deal.
Derek's quite a catch.
This is my idea.
This is my idea of a match. And such fun.
Good heavens, child, don't dawdle. We can't keep Derek waiting.
I haven't packed or washed my hair, and Father, I get seasick.
He soon will be arriving. Is that respect you're showing?
Do make me kiss her hand again. I swear I'm gonna be sick.
One day Prince Derek will be her intended.
Splendid!
Tried all summer, but we just can't lose her. Hey, fellas, wait up!
Quick, learn some speed.
When picking
Or
teeth,
friends.
I never choose her.
You'd think she'd take a hint and learn to read.
This really isn't fair.
We really couldn't care.
Boys, it's all or none. This is not my idea.
This isn't my idea of fun.
Long before they met, Derek and Odette were destined to be wedded. However, one could see the point on which they didn't disagree. And the very thought of summertime was dreaded.
She tries to talk me into playing dress up. She's always flirting with the castle guards.
I think you really sorta like her. That's up.
I'd like her better if she'd lose at cards. 4 7s and a 10.
I think I've won again.
Every time she's won.
This is my idea.
This isn't my idea of fun.
We need a royal wedding. I'd love to be invited. At least we'll get a holiday to rest our plows and axes. Someday these two will marry. Two lands will be united. And with some luck, their marriage may result in lower taxes.
What if Odette doesn't go for the merger?
Urge her.
For as long as I remember, we've been told we'd someday wed. Every June until September, all their pushing and annoying hints.
I've got bruises with their fingerprints.
I can do much better, I am sure.
He's so immature. I see him smiling and my knees start buckling. I see inside him and my doubts are gone.
She started out as such an ugly duckling, and somehow suddenly became a swan.
So happy to be here.
Till now I never knew it is you I've been dreaming of. This is my idea.
This is my idea. What a good idea.
Such a charming and romantic notion. This is my idea.
my idea.